God speaks with me all the time. I had an experience 4 years ago when I came to Malta, and he showed me the Iceland in one advertisement on Facebook. And I came to Malta for study English, but I know here God have the meeting with my husband. He's Italian Maltese, and now this is my second family, and this is my new life. I am Catholic. For me, it's very, very important to have the community. And here in Malta, I found the Spanish community. It's very, very important for me because I can speak with the people, I can pray. But the community, you can stay with the people, with the family. More for me, I am far away from my country. It's a second home. The Holy Spirit for me is a person. It's a person when I can take the communication with God. A few days ago, I received the Holy Spirit. I take my confirmation, and it's a person when I can to pray a God directly. This is the Holy Spirit for me. Espíritu Santo, ilumina mi entendimiento, fortifica mi voluntad, dame agudeza para entender, capacidad para retener, método y facultad para aprender, sutileza para interpretar, gracia y eficacia para hablar. Dame acierto para empezar, dirección al progresar y perfección en el acabar. Amén.